Explore the brand new eCatalogue from CERATIZIT. Take advantage of our complete cutting tool solution. Now available in a digital version. Navigate to your desired chapter via the segment overview. Here, you can watch the product videos or skip to the desired article to learn more. Once you've located the desired article, you're just a click away from finding it in the online shop. Use your login credentials, place the item in your basket, and keep browsing. By clicking the shopping basket icon in the menu above, you can conveniently keep track of all the items in your basket while you shop. Be sure to bookmark important pages so you can easily relocate them. Would you like to continue shopping? No problem. Just use the menu to go back to the table of contents. If you know the name of the article or the article number, you can use the search function. Enter the number or search by text to quickly locate the desired product. The new eCatalogue also contains the corresponding cutting data for our tools. Click the back arrow in your browser to return to the desired product. The convenient download function lets you download individual pages, chapters, or the entire catalogue. This way, you can use the catalogue even while offline. All your cutting needs just one click away. Explore our new eCatalogue. Download the app for Android or iOS now.